Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a really easy video of how to recycle your old container lids. If you're anything like my family, we recycle the like old sour cream and butter containers, yogurt containers, you know, all the good stuff. We put leftovers that would stain our good bowls with, you know, yada yada. Everybody has that one thing. So this is an old butter lid that we no longer have the container for, and we're gonna make some plant tags out of it. So, excuse the dirty table. This is an outdoor table that I do all of my planting on. Gonna need a nice little pair of scissors. It's pretty sharp, and a lid. That's all you need. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna come around to this little edge here, and you're gonna cut it. You're gonna go around here. Never had to do this on camera, so it's kind of an awkward angle for my hands to be working at, but we're gonna make it work. So now you have two options. You can either throw this away, or you can do what I do, and I cut this piece into sections like this. So you have this. You can write on this side what it is. This side is the date. However, you can cut it here, make it into two, but what I like to do is really simple. I'll come here to this little corner. I will cut at an angle here, cut at an angle here, and this gives you a nice little plant tag. Now, you can do that with the rest of this, or like I said, just toss it. And with these here, this little flat piece, we're gonna take it, and I like to cut it in half first. It just makes it a little bit easier to work with. So then you have two half circles, and you're gonna come around here, and however thick you want your plant tags to be is how thick you cut it. So I like mine to be just thick enough where I can write up here what it is, or I can lay it diagonal and write what it is here. Now for these, I will do the same thing I did with the bent piece of plastic. I will cut at an angle, and this is what you poke into the soil, and you will have everything you need written here. You can write the date. If this is too long, which, you know, it might not be, depending on what your needs are, but if you have really shallow cells, you can cut angles on this other half. Split it right down the middle, and now you have two. Now these can be any kind of color you have of plastic. It doesn't have to be a Tupperware lid, but I have some white ones, I have some clear ones, and I just keep them all here. Whenever I need some plant tags, I can just open this, grab some, write what I need, and you can either throw them away afterwards, or you can reuse them, scratch out the date, whatever you need to do, whatever works best for you, I should say. And again, this is a piece you can either throw away or use just like this. You can level out this top piece here so it's flat. Well, I guess I should have cut that side off. Whatever. Same, you get the idea. Write what you need here. It's a little bit of a different shape than all the others, but all you're using it for is to label your seeds. So yeah, this is how I do all of my plant tags. They work out awesome for me. I do a lot of things like this, so if you like this kind of content, really quick style videos that are pretty straight to the point. I like to explain everything in depth as much as I can in a small amount of time. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions or even suggestions for what you use for plant tags, leave them down in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. Subscribe for more content like this. I'll have several videos coming out in the future that have these plant tags, because that's all I've really used this year. Why spend unnecessary money if you can just reuse what you have anyway? So say your bowl gets warped in the microwave for whatever reason, not like I am speaking from experience or anything, but Anyway, away from that, thank you guys for watching, and I will talk to you guys pretty soon.